Have your tasks mysteriously moved away from your project start date? Well, you're not alone. In the next few minutes, I'll show you some common causes and exactly how to fix them in MS projects so your schedule behaves. Let's fix this. Alright, so today you'll see a mock project which you see on your screen. It's a website launch project. I'll recreate frequent reasons, tasks ignore the start dates, then fix them. I'll show you what views and settings to check first so you can debug quickly. So let's get on with it. So over here we have a project, and before going through the schedule, let's go for the project information. That's here in the project tab. And you can see that the project start date is set on the 3rd of November. So in this case, any task, especially the very first task, should start from the project start date, that is the 3rd of November. However, as we see that our first project kickoff task is starting off from the 5th of November. So let's see what's causing this problem. And before we dive into it, there are a couple of other problems in the plan as well. Let's just oversee the plan first. So right now, if we notice, the plan is of total of 39 days. It's starting off on the 30th of October and completing on the 23rd of December, right? Now, if you recall, we set the project start date to the 3rd of November. So anything going before that date shouldn't be correct. So we see that one of the tasks, requirement gathering, is starting off before the project start date. We'll dive into it, why it's happening. So for now, we've seen two problems. One, the first task is not starting on the project start date, and the second task is starting before the project start date. Then let's go down a bit. So this is taking after 5 days, it's starting off. This is fine. And over here, we see that this 10 days task, the development sprint, is starting off from 17th. It's a 10 days task and it's completing on the 8th. So it's taking way too longer, more than 10 days. So we'll see what problem is lying over here. And then we have the very next task, the QA testing, that was supposed to start from the 9th of December. Instead, it's starting off from the 11th of December. So these are four key problems that we see in this plan. So let's start off with the very first one. So we see the project kickoff task. We double click and head into the task information. And over here, we move on to the advanced tab. Now, this is where it's causing this issue. So over here you see the constraint type is set to must start on, and the constraint date is set to the 5th of November. So whenever a constraint type is defined in any task, it overrides any other date that should be followed. So to avoid this from happening, we change it to as soon as possible and remove the constraint date and click OK. Immediately, I get a scheduling conflict notification from MS Project. So for now, let's click continue and move forward with it. And the reason it's causing it is lying there in the next task. Okay, now let's click through the second requirement gathering task. First, everything over here is that's looking incorrect is the start date. It's starting off from the 30th, whereas it should start from 6th, which is after the very first task, because it's set to finish to start. So when the first task finishes, this will start off. So ideally, it should start from the 4th of November. However, somehow it's taking it before this project start date. Resources are perfectly fine. Advanced tab again shows us the problem. Over here, a must finish on constraint is applied with the finish date of 5th. So what MS Project does, it reverse calculates the start date in this case. So in case a task is supposed to finish on the 5th and it's a 5-day task, it reverse calculates it to the 30th of October and sets the start date over there. That was the reason we got a resource conflict, scheduling conflict error earlier on. So we also set it to as soon as possible, remove the conflict constraint date and remove this conflict. So you see immediately it changes the dates from the 30th of October to 4th of November. So now the first two tasks are aligned. Now moving on to the third problematic task, we see that the number of days are 10 days. However, the task date are taking way too longer than it's supposed to be. We see over here there are no constraints applied over here, so that won't be a problem. Nothing mentioned on the general tab. Predecessors are also fine. Resources are defined as dev team. So in this case, when you're seeing that on the face of it, there's no issue, then the very first thing to check out is to check out the resources that are applied to this task. We head over here, double click on the dev team and see if there's any availability schedule defined. And if it's not, then we head over to the change working time. Now here we find the problem. So we see that there's an off time defined for this resource that starts from the 24th of November and ends on the 1st of December. So in this case, what MS Project does is it inserts these dates within the project timeline and extends the project task timelines overall. So to address this, either you change the resource or in case if these dates are not applicable, you remove these dates from here. Click OK. We came back to the Gantt chart and now let's see. Now this task is starting from 20th of November and ending on 3rd of December, which seems perfectly fine. Now we move on to the last problematic task, which is QA testing. So we see that ideally if this task is completing on Wednesday, the 3rd of December, the QA testing should start right after it and then very next day on the Thursday instead of it starting off on Monday. So let's check out what the problem is. So we again check out the general tab. Everything's fine. There's no constraint applied as well in the advanced tab as well. Resources are fine. Now in predecessors, we see something different over here. We see that, okay, it's dependent on the development sprint. However, there's something mentioned over here, which is showing us that it's creating a lag of 2 days after the completion of this task. So unless there's a particular reason for it, sometimes these things are left from the previous plan that you're reusing. So you make sure you remove it to 0. And now our plan is perfectly aligned. If you recall, initially it was 39 days. Now it has reduced to 32 days starting from the 3rd of November, which was our required project start date, and completing on the 16th of December. So these are some few tips that we covered today for identifying these problems within the plan that are creating problems for you in the project schedule. So keep them handy. And if you like this video, just click the like button and remain subscribed so we can connect in future for other problems as well. Take care and bye bye.